Welcome! In this video, we are going to look at problem 5 from chapter 24 of College Physics 2E by OpenStax. In this problem, we need to verify the units obtained for magnetic field strength B. In the given example, that example uses the equation B is equal to E divided by C. We need to verify that E divided by C does in fact give Teslas as units. Okay, so we'll start with the equation. B is equal to E divided by C. And now I'll write the units underneath. So do Teslas equal volts per meter divided by meters per second. Okay, let's rewrite that. So we've got volts divided by meters, and then right next to it, I'll put the other fraction turned upside down. So meters and seconds. Okay, so we have a volt times a second over meters squared. All right, so we can say 1 volt is 1 joule per coulomb. So let's substitute for volts. So we have joules per coulomb. What's left is seconds over meters squared. Okay, we can say 1 joule is 1 Newton times a meter. So now we have a Newton meter over a coulomb. And we have seconds and meters squared. So we can cancel one of the meters. And we've got newtons times seconds over coulomb times meters. Okay. Now, if we don't remember what a Tesla is, we can go to an equation that has magnetic field in it, and we can figure out what Teslas are. And so I like going back to force is QVB. Force is given in newtons. Charge Q is in coulombs. This V is velocity, so we have meters per second, and then magnetic field in Teslas. And so a Tesla is a Newton times a second divided by a coulomb times a meter. And that's what we have. And so we do have Teslas. And so we found Teslas do in fact equal Teslas. And so that verifies the units. We've gone through, worked through all the units down throughout, and shown that they do work out to be Teslas. Okay, I hope you found this helpful. Let me know in the comments section if you have any comments, questions, or if there's other problems you'd like to see me solve. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.